Ferguson to Jerusalem. The criminals got badges. See, there's a Mike Brown in every town. Don't try to tell me that America was found. We've been slaughtering innocents from the very beginning. Our country spits a big game while cynics spitting half-assed facts. Here's one for you. All men are supposedly created equal, right? Except apparently blacks folks get declared 3 kids when whites wrote the Constitution, and ever since then even it we keep abusing. Mass confusion on our own stated principles. These are empires seeming invincible. Murder with impunity when shot by a cop, while prosecutors persecute the block non-stop. All the way from Ferguson to Jerusalem. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. The real criminals have badges and guns. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. The real criminals have badges and guns. See, we all strive, these are the human eye, trying to find something higher than what we're all mired in. Democracy, try monstrosity. Look around, it's a power monopoly in which we grant rhetorical freedoms while the fat men lead hedonistic lives. And so we might as well die, since all we do while alive is cry out of desperation, frustration, aggravation, then the ultimate starvation. If not of the body, then of the soul. Working fingers to the bone precludes a holistic chance at living. So we all are giving all our time to money-hungry banks, always joining the always swelling ranks of underappreciated, undercompensated, underrecognized, underclassed folk who out of opportunities to gain success, contributing by subsisting to the mess all around us. It confounds us, it hounds us all the way to an early grave. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. The real criminals have badges and guns. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. From Ferguson to Jerusalem. The real criminals have badges.